This is the VEX VR video for drawing a house, level 1. So if we take a look at the schematic for this project, you're going to have your VEX VR robot draw a house on the art canvas using the pen block. Use the square for the house and a triangle for the roof. The shapes do not have to be perfect. So I'm going to load my playground. I'm going to choose my art canvas for this. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to position my robot. So I'm not going to start in the center of my screen. I'm going to move my robot 300 millimeters. And again, I don't know why my art canvas is not loading. I'm going to go back to my art canvas and hopefully it loads. So I'm going to move my robot up, and then what I'm going to do is, so I can get to the corner, I'm going to make a right-hand turn, and I'm going to drive forward 300 millimeters. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to set the color of my pen. So I'm going to set my print color to black, or my pen color. I grabbed the wrong block. Set my pen color to black. I'm going to move my pen down. So now my pen is down. I know that I need to draw a square, so I'm just going to grab my repeat block and I'm going to choose 4. If I repeat that command 4 times, I end up at the same spot. So I'm going to turn my robot to the right 90 degrees. And then I'm going to move forward, let's say 300. Let's make this a little bit larger. So that will give you my square and then my robot up in this direction. At that point, I'm going to make a left-hand turn. So I'm going to turn left, but now I don't want to turn left 90 degrees. I'm going to turn left 150 degrees. Now, after turning left 150 degrees, I'm going to drive forward. And I'm going to drive forward 346.5 millimeters. Now, again, I've all prefigured this out and tested this, and it wasn't done in one shot. So at this point, I'm going to turn left again, and I'm going to turn left 60 degrees. And I'm going to drive forward that same 346.5 millimeters. So now you're going to see is I'm going to draw my, move my robot. I'm getting to that nice corner position here. I put my pen down and I'm drawing that square. I'm turning. And this is a good thing, is I actually screwed up on putting my measurements in. Instead of 300, this should have been 600. So now as I run my robot, and again, it's a good thing to even include in a tutorial video that sometimes you just overlook your numbers and the program doesn't run the way you'd like it to. So by changing that square to be 600 millimeters on each side and now centered on that board, I draw my rectangle at that 150 degree angle and I have my completed house. Now level 2 and 3 I'm not going to show, but you're going to use this same set of procedures to add a garage onto it. For level 3 you're going to add windows, a door, a chimney, or any other decorations. And some feedback I would give you as you progress to level 2 and 3, instead of just extending this out into a long program, again like we have in the previous ones, you can create your own blocks and you can create a house function, a garage function, a windows function, and then run your programs via functions that you can keep organized and have better flow to the program itself. Again, just a suggestion.